our breakfast. Good morning. Morning, parents.
Onchi. Hi guys. How are you?
Hi, Kuya.
Hi.
Nag-answer kami ng guest comment. Ano daw name of event? Breakfast. Parang maluya. Oh, naka-ate ka. Aray ko. Ate Kat, bangka?
Meron daw.
Pero
Pero wala akong cable.
Hi, Pa!
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning! Today is the countryside tour. Hi,
Let's go.
My name is Vicky. I'm your tour guide. I'm Wilby. So ano kasi yung bihira dati na makikita, yun na palagi sinasabi ng mga tao.
Paano kayo?
Balik na kami dun sa kaya namin. Ay, masalub.
Cause we're past the cold. So why stay and just repeat it now? Yeah. Oh, we dream about all things being alright, but we freeze when it's all up to us. So let's fight it, make a stand and try it. Everything will matter from now on. Let's fight it, there's no way to hide it, 'cause everything
Baba daw tayo, sis. Maraming tao daw.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Dito kami sa Tarsier.
I really wanna know.
Bawal maingay dito. Bawal kami dito. Taga dito ka, be. Be, taga dito ka. Malapit na. Maganda din ako tapon. Buti pa yung Tarsier patulog-tulog lang. Gusto niyo ma? Gusto niyo? Ako. Gusto ko.
Okay. Phone.
Stress yarn. Dorian. Ako yung step. Ubus na. Can you pay? How stressed are you? How stressed are you? Parang nasang
It's no need for us to rush.
anong kulay yan? Purple.
Where past the cold. So
Stress na ako.
this
Tagabayad.
yeah.
Tour guide na.
We dream about things being alright, but we freeze when it's all up to us. So let's fight it, make a stand and try it. Everything will matter from now on. Matter from now on. Let's fight it. There's no way to hide it, 'cause everything will matter from now on. 'Cause it's high tide.
Nakakatakot eh. Nakakatakot.
Tagatong daan na po.
Relax. Ito yan. Tapos yan. Yay! What is that? Wow.
You're a lonely sailor, and your soul is made of wind and rain, doubts and blame. I'm a weary pirate, and my heart is made of dust and grain, and spoiled champagne. I've got troubles, I've got sins, I'm my worst enemy, but I've still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come, won't you come? And say by chance, don't you wanna say a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart. Want the good, want the bad, all the feelings. Want you happy and sad in between them. If there's one thing I truly believe in, ordinary love, ordinary love. I wanna always sleep in your shirt 'cause it's ours. Brush my teeth while you're taking a shower.
Or freshwater
If there's
crocodile,
one thing I
hindi
know
dito
there is
Crocodilos poroso
time in
crocodile po.
ordinary love,
Nakarinig na ba kayo?
ordinary love. Don't you ever say you are not enough, baby, you're enough. So don't you be afraid and take a leap of faith. It doesn't have to be holy, holy. I'm not asking for a God, just as long as you show me some ordinary love. So kiss me in the night, tell me that you're mine. Don't need much to believe, doesn't have to be holy, holy. When it's ordinary love.
Nakatakot. Ate, gusto mo? Gusto mo Makatingin parang kami. Pili dito ka sa may
Malamig, malamig.
Ate, pag ikaw nakagapag Pili ka more. Hindi, magbitbit ka rin. Ay, nakakala ko sa ito. Baclayon Church. Kailan nga kuya yung lindol na bumagsak to? Just recently, bumagsak siya. One of the oldest church here in Bohol. Try ko daw. Okay. Free taste siya. Bakit? Free taste na. Okay. Ano ba talaga? Wala. Sige.
Slow it down. It's no need for us to rush it now. 'Cause we're past the cold. So why stay and just repeat it now? Yeah. Oh, we dream about all things being alright, but we freeze when it's all up to us. So let's fight